Hello students, good morning all of you and welcome back our online class Science 6th standard. Students, today we are going to start a new chapter, that is the 15th chapter and light. So students, after long days, today we are going to continue our online classes. So students, whatever that in video we are going to explain or whatever that you are getting, that must be right on your running notes or that is classwork inside. It is my sincere request. Okay students, so before going to chapter, first of all we will discuss about that what are the learning objectives and what are the points in these chapters. So students, what is that we are going to study? That first chapter name is in light. Do you have idea about that light? Yes, without light, even though we cannot, it is a dark planet like we will say. Yes or no? And we will face a lot of problems even though we cannot move for one inches like. So we are almost all we are depending upon the light. We are reading the books. We are seeing to each other. What are seeing that objectives. So many things. Whatever that we are seeing the objects by the light only. So how we are seeing, how it is visible to us, we have to study in this chapter, and you will study that higher classes how that reflection, whatever that things. But students, whatever the first we will discuss. What are the learning objectives in this chapter? That means what are the things we are going to learn? First of all, let us discuss. Now see students here. First of all, you look at here. Here I have written that learning objects. Write down notes to these all points. First of all, luminous and non-luminous objects. Shadow formation that requires a source of light. Unopaque objects and screen. The characteristics of a shadow. Reflecting surfaces. Images that are different from the shadows. Yes. These are the learning objectives. That means these main points we are going to compulsory learn in this chapter. So first of all, we have to get that introduction part. That is what is that light. Now light is a form of energy. Light is a form of energy which helps us or which enables to see the objects by the which we can see the object whatever the around us, whatever the our behinds or around that us, that we can see. Okay, by the light. Okay, so students, this light where it is getting, where we are coming, where it is come from. So there is the different sources are there where we are getting the light. Suppose you are torch light you are using, that means from the torch it is coming. Electric bulb it is coming. Candle, from the candle it is coming. Sunlight, from the sun it is coming. Moonlight, from the moon it is coming. So there are so many sources are there students where we are getting the light. There is one source. So bulb, electric bulb is one source. Candle is one of the source. Okay, so like the sun is one of the source. So these are the different sources are there where we are getting the light. So according to that, the students, the sources are two types where we are whatever we are getting the light from the different sources. They are generally classified into two types. One is luminous body, another one is non-luminous body. What do you mean by luminous body? Luminous means the body or the object which has its own light. It emits the own light. That means which object gives us the its own light, not depending upon other. That is called as a luminous body. For example, candle. If you keep that candle does not depend upon other itself. It is burning and giving the. It gives the light to us. Sun its own light. So it gives us light. Star, sun, candle, electric bulb. These are the examples of a luminous body. Did you understand what about the luminous body? Luminous body means it has the own light. It emits whatever the light to us. It has the own light. Okay. But what is that non-luminous body? Non-luminous body means it gives us light, but it has no own light. Or it is it is depending upon other, and by the reflecting then it is gives us a light. Suppose for example you have more familiar to with the moon. Yes, moon has no light, means moon has no own light. It is reflected by the sun and gives us light. By the reflection of the sunlight, then it gives us a light. So moon has no own light. Okay, so such body are called as non-luminous body. So let us see students here, like after write down that light. It is a form of energy that enable us to see the objects around us. The light is a form of energy. There are different form of energy: electrical energy, there, solar energy, there, light energy, there, sound energy, there, magnetic energy. So many types of energy there. Yes, but this light is also one of the form of energy which helps us or enable us to see the object around us. Okay, to see the objects. So from the around, whatever the around is there, that it is helping to us. The sources of light, friends, from where the lights are getting, where we are getting the light. There are two types generally. One is the luminous objects or luminous bodies, and another one is non-luminous body. Luminous body and non-luminous body and luminous body. What do you mean by luminous body? The object which emits its own light is called a luminous body. The object which emits its own light, that means it does not depends upon the other. Okay? Candle is burning, that it is giving or emitting the light. It does not depends upon other. Okay, so such candle is one of the luminous body. Okay, so same like if you think that star, sun, candle, these are the all are the different source, but these are the luminous body. Example: the sun, stars, candle, etc. What do you mean by non-luminous body? The object which do not have its own light and reflected by the other, that is called as a non-luminous body. The object which do not have its own light, जिसका own light नहीं है, जिसका own light नहीं है, वो दूसरा ऊपर डिपेंड करते हैं. Those who are depending upon others to get the light, and then after they are reflecting and we are getting the light. So they have no own lights. Okay, such bodies or objects are called as a non-luminous body. Example: moon, chair, etc. Okay, friends. So this is whole about that. What is that light and what are the luminous or sources of light? Okay, friends. Thank you all of you. Have a nice day. Everybody, please write down this all the notes and try to send me also in WhatsApp. Thank you all of you. Have a nice day.